Hello everyone, my name is Simon Drake and welcome to my webinar about crude oil report. Today we are going to trade on the event crude oil report and I hope it brings us good income. Before the news will be released, it will happen in 13 minutes. I would like to explain a little bit about the current situation in the market and just share some news of some analytics. So, as we all knew, I guess the export of oil from Iran became less and less because of the sanctions of the United States against Iran. So that affected oil. That's why oil might go down. But there is also some news which will affect the price on oil that may go up. Most of analytics think that price on oil will start falling down, especially at the beginning. So I guess today we're going to, personally me, going to open the position for 5 or 4 minutes before the news will be released, because the analytics I do trust think that price will start falling down at the beginning, but then it might go up. So this is the real uncertain situation in the market right now. Usually it's more clear, but not today. Anyway, I expect price to go down. It started falling down already a little bit. So there is some factors which can affect the unfolding on the oil, and some factors which can affect the growing up the price for oil. So what will happen exactly, we'll see soon. Here on the chart you can see the oil, what happened to oil. Recently it grew up pretty much, but today, several hours ago, the price started falling down. Usually price falling down before growing up. So we'll just simply wait and see what will happen. I think closer to news, it will be in 10 minutes. We will see some changings on the charts, and after that we will be know much more clear what exactly and where exactly we are going to trade, or buy or sell. The same here. I would recommend you to open the position not more than 15 or 12% of your whole amount of money on your CFD account, just not to risk. The leverage I'm going to choose on oil, let me find oil here, is 1 to 50. This is pretty good leverage level, which also help us not to risk that much. Okay, as we see right now, price start to getting up a little bit, little by little. The whole picture will be soon. The linear regression lines shows the falling of the price in oil right now, but it happened only several hours ago before the news. So we just simply wait a little bit more, and then we're going to open one position. Today I already opened one position and I make a little profit on this falling. As we can see here, price just slightly, little by little, start growing up, but I think this is not a really big change. So yeah, just wait a little bit more. And when there will be just 3 or 4 minutes before the news, so in 5 minutes I think I will open one more position to sell, because I expect price to fall down at the beginning. This always happens in the market. So when the news is released, first several minutes there is a huge volatility on the market, so it can bring pretty good income if you will be in time to open your positions and to close your position in a profit. So crude oil report here, leverage 1 to 50. Investment amount, I would choose $2,000. Just not to risk that much. Take profit, well, I would like to not to risk also and choose the $2,000 as a take profit. Well, actually, if we will choose the take profit the same as the investment amount, I think this is also be good to choose the 1 to 75 leverage. But first let's just see what is going to be happening with the market and the price when the news will be released. As the MACD shows, there was the big falling, and you might know with how to read the market according to MACD. So there is a two lines, orange one and blue one. You can see when they cross each other, price will start falling down just immediately. And now those lines, I think they are about to touch each other again soon. Those red long lines, which are above right now, it's comparing to this time, are becoming the shorter and shorter and shorter, and the blue line and orange one line just becoming closer to each other again. It was the 5-minute chart. Here it's already crossed. Let's choose the 1-minute chart. On 1 minute they already crossed each other. Okay, this is the pre-news situation. I think for 4 minutes, 6 minutes left before the news will be released, and we will start. Well, it's just 5 minutes left. And I think we can open one position just to test. Where will it take us? Let's not risk that much. I would choose the investment amount of 1,000. The leverage is 1 to 50. As already mentioned, today, exactly today, is not pretty certain the situation in the market, so it might go any direction. The opinions have changed. So yeah, let's not risk that much today. Right now I want to open the sell position. Crude oil futures. Take profit. Okay, let's. Okay. And right now, let's just wait. I remind you that just 3.5 minutes left before the news. Let's just switch to TradingView and see where it will take us. Also to compare it here. So far falling. Usually price falling before rising. What's interesting? I think there will be... Let's just wait a little bit. Just 2 minutes. And what do we got here? Yeah, price fell down pretty much. And keep falling. You can see the unmarked did the same. So the space between orange one and blue one line is getting bigger. It means price keep falling. Interesting, such an uncertain situation in the market. That's pretty interesting, actually. And there is less than 1 minute left. So, ladies and gentlemen, preparing and be ready. If you are repeating after me, I hope you did everything I advised you. So it's choosing not a big leverage, because when the volatility is going to start, the price will be changing pretty much, and the more leverage you choose, then more... Oh, it grew up a little bit right now. Okay, just... Okay, I think it's starting right now. First, 5 or 3 minutes, or maybe more, it will be changing. Whoa. Yeah, it fell down pretty much. I think here we can even open one more position to buy, but for a bigger amount of money. This one I want to close already and open the new one, but up. Yeah, let's do it. I did it just to fix the beginning income, because it always happens like this. So if the price fell down pretty much after the news is released, it means that soon it might go up. So we just know, let's wait a little bit more. It fell down. And the next step is pretty uncertain right now. All we can do right now is just to wait a little bit more. Okay, seems price want to start growing up right now, as we can see here. But this is again the very uncertain situation, because this is the first several minutes after the news is released. So I think for 3 or 4 minutes more we can expect such changes. Right now we can so far check how it affected some other currency pairs, for example, United States dollar. United States dollar, Japanese yen started to growing up pretty much. The same here. And Euro USD start falling down. Interesting. Probably price will start growing up little by little after such a huge falling. But again, this is very uncertain. All we can do so far is just to wait. The first position was easy money because this is personally me expected price to start falling down. Always before the crude oil report, you can open one position to get your first profit, but when you will be sure about the direction of the price. For example, today I thought the price will start falling down, so that's why I opened that position, just to show you how it works. And so far we can see price starting to growing up little by little. So I'm not in a big, I was not a big profit, but there is a correction of the price right now. As I already mentioned, for several minutes it will be something like this. Let's just wait a little bit more. Anyway, this is the CFD. We can not to hurry here and wait until we will be in a profit. Such a good week. Today is a crude oil report, and on Friday there is the NFP. Just want to remind all the viewers that it will be a great opportunity to make some money on gold and US dollar. So far I'm in a little profit, and what we can see right now here is price is growing up, keep growing. Okay, as this is the pretty uncertain situation in the market, I think I'm going to close my second position. And you can see right now, today we had the two successfully opened positions on CFD. I think so far the price will keep growing up, what means the good opportunity to make some money. Today I closed my several positions just to show you exactly how it works and how to make money by trading on CFD during the crude oil report. I hope that you were repeating after me and you have a good profit too right now. So thank you all for watching and see you next week again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.